Hello guys, welcome to Dharam's Code Mystery 7. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Postman window. Let's see, I am starting installation of Postman. For that, go our favorite web browser and on Google type Postman download. Press enter, and now you can see Postman official website postman.com. Click on it. Now after reaching the official website, now the download section is visible. We have Windows 64-bit, so click on it to download. Now our download started. It's only 139 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. Before downloading complete Postman, let me tell you something about Postman. Postman is a versatile tool that play a critical role in the life cycle of API development, from designing and testing to monitoring and documenting APIs. We have successfully downloaded the exe file. Double click on it. So we have reached the Postman. It has been started. So guys, we have installed it. You can create a free account from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Postman. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, and for much informative videos subscribe to this channel and send it to as many of your friends as possible. Thank you.